Okay, so we're back for the second video of the day. It's National Ice Cream Day apparently, and when I've got to give Little's credit for this because I'm on their email list from when I ordered this. I've reviewed these earlier today for you, but I've got to give them some credit because they sent me the recipe in an email saying it's National Ice Cream Day, so I thought I better use their pods, better do it as they've said to do it. So I'm going to use the French vanilla pod, clotted cream ice cream. I actually spent a few years living in Devon. You wouldn't know it from the accent, would you? But I've got a family down there, and these are actually Little's are a Devon-based company, so that's why I'm mentioning that, and that's why I love clotted cream so much. But I love it in ice cream, but it did say to use vanilla ice cream for this recipe. So what I've done, I've put some of this ice cream into here, and I've squashed it right down. Now I know you don't have to do that. Some people will just like leave it as a normal scoop, but I've squashed it down a bit, and I picked up a tip from, I think it was a Telegraph or something like that, an article I read. They said if you squash it down and then put the glass into the freezer with the ice cream in it, then it keeps the glass nice and cold. And then when you pour the coffee in, it melts the ice cream a little bit less quickly, and it doesn't all just go to mush. You can eat it at a normal pace without it destroying the ice cream, the hot coffee. So let's just pour a capsule of it now. It's such a simple thing. It's you just pour a capsule of this over the top, and that's it really. Tuck in. The reason it's said to do it this way as well, squashing it down, is that then as you're eating it, it just covers all of the ice cream. Whereas if you just leave it as, a scoop, then it can go down to the bottom and the coffee gets a bit wasted. But if we look at that, let's see, it isn't melting, is it? It's freezing cold. Look at that, it's just stayed on top. But you can use whatever ice cream you want. Actually, Little's said to use, their version said to use sugar-free ice cream because the pods are sugar-free. They said it's then just a sugar-free drink, isn't it, completely? Or a sugar-free dessert, really. It's not even a drink, is it? It's more of a dessert. But I just picked this up in Sainsbury's because I saw clotted cream and vanilla. Yeah, you can see it's just starting to melt a little bit now. Pour that up. You just get a scoop of that there. I'm just going to have a little taste. That's amazing. Apparently they were really popular in the 90s, these. Some things are best left in the 90s, aren't they? But I think this one, well, I love the 90s, to be honest with you. I love the music, I love everything about it. But some people would say some things should be left there. Maybe E17's hats or something like that. It should have been left there. But these, I'm glad they're still around. I've never tried one before. I really enjoyed that. I hope you've give it a go. Let us know if you give it a go in the comments and if you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like the video if you've liked it, and thanks for now, and we'll see you later. Hit the notification bell if you subscribe.